My name is Tasneem. I'm the senior manager at 98 Percentile in the HR department. And today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. It was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back-end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Hi everyone, my name is Prachi Sharma and I'm the Senior Project Manager for IT Department at 98th Percentile. So today we were here for this IT Bootcamp, right, this technical drive and at XLR. So it was a great experience and I would feel that the students, they are the freshers, right, but it doesn't seem like that. So if I talk about their technical and cognitive ability, they all seems pretty good in that and that's what I felt. And I guess they have been taught pretty well at XLR, so that's how they have performed good in their aptitude and the technical tests. So I wish them all the best and it was a very great experience over here.
Hi, this is Patan, Technology Consulting Manager from 98th Percentile. We visited XLR for the campus placement drive and it went very well today. Miss Ambika, Miss Pragati, everyone received us greatly here and we had a lot of enjoyable time here. The students even had great experience with us. They were interactive, they had good aptitude and all the technological skills they showed. I think they were all well and we really appreciate their time that they spared to us and I think we will be doing a great job. We are expecting a lot of people to be hired from them. Let's see. it was a great experience altogether.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
From entering into this cyber tower to exiting out of this tower, the XLR team has been received me with such a care and pleasure.
I am the part of this XLR since 4 months. From the third month itself, they have conducted the placement sessions from the third month itself, and this is the fourth month, and this is the 98th percentile is one of the placement drive I have attended so far, and attending to this drive is such a good experience for me. All the HRs and the team made us feel very comfortable and confident.
XLR helped me a lot, and I experienced a lot of things today. So I'm really hope to be placed in that company. I'm confident about that. Thank you.
My name is Rahul Ulkar. I'm been working as a senior architect in UX systems. So today we are here at XLR Systems for the placement drive, and I really appreciate the placement services that the team that I actually met. We really got a good service and hospital service actually. The way they actually welcome is really fantastic, and I love. This is actually one of the best experience that I have ever. And and about the student quality, today we had interviews with almost like 25 to 30 students, but the candidates are really good. I mean, with respect to knowledge, with respect to communication, I mean, they are much more familiar about the technologies. Most of the interviews we had in Java, and the students are really fantastic. Thank you.
I'm Hari Prasad Bugate. So today we have come here on the behalf of UX Systems, and so we are conducting a drive at XLR. The students here, they are also, we found them very confident. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Mayuri Pimple. I have completed my full stack development course from the XLR EdTech Private Limited. The XLR is doing the fantastic job. The XLR placement team is doing the excellent work, and they are also providing the SDP session that boost our confidence at the next level. I would like to thank the whole training and placement team of the XLR for arranging the drive at the XLR Pune office. Thank you. Hi everyone, my name is Sunita Joshi. I am from Pune. I have completed my full stack development course from XLR. The training provided by the XLR was very fantastic. The placement was provided are also good. There are the various SDP sessions was conducted at XLR office so that student can enhance their skill and knowledge and crack the interview and boost our knowledge to the next level.
Hello everyone, my name is Omkar Sarve. I have completed full stack developer course from XLR Tech Private Limited. The training provided by XLR is flawless. They provide good placement support. They doing STP sessions regularly to boost our confidence to the next level. I would like to thank whole XLR team to arrange the campus drive at
Okay, hi everyone. I'm here. Okay, good evening. Oh, right. So, anyone have any questions from yesterday's or today's topic or anything? Okay, right. Okay, fine. So, yes, we have exam today. Amar, what time the exam is?
Start exam sharp at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Huh.
Okay. Got it. So, let me share the screen. Right. So, I said that we will be seeing today the how we can write the validations to the form, right? Okay. So quickly we can see how to write the validations to the form. Right. See here. Please go through the recording, Rajeshwar, because today we have a very less time, Rajeshwar. Okay. So this is for 50 marks, Devi Lalita. Right. See here. I'm going to create a folder here, right? Login with validations. Right. Okay. Now you can create one file, which is we can use right, login.html. Now I'll just take a very quick form. Okay, so we can just take a simple quick form, right? HTML heads, right? Okay, title, right? Form validation using JavaScript, right? HTML form validation using JavaScript. Now I'll write one more file I'll create here. Okay, login.css. Login.css file I'll create. Okay, I want to link this login.css file to the HTML file. So what is the tag we can use in the head? Anyone please? Which tag we will use to link the CSS file with the HTML file? Style tag. Yes. Sorry. Link tag. Correct. Yeah. Link tag. Right. So what is the attribute? href, right? href is the attributes. Now let me just use this. Then rel is equal to style sheet. Style sheet. Now we have linked it. Now, if you want, write font awesome. If you want to write font awesome, right? Okay. You can use the font awesome also. Right? Okay. Here. See. I want that. One second. That link I want. Just a minute. So what I'll do is, I'll just search for that link. Right? Font awesome with CDN 6. Font awesome 6 with CDN. Six I want. Okay. Okay, fine. Let me just check quickly. Then after that we will go. We don't want to waste the time. Because someone asked me, ma'am, how to add the small icons to the form. So that's why I'm doing it. Okay, fine. Leave it. So what I'll do is, I'll add it later. Fine. Okay. I'll add it in your example. I'll just share it in this. Okay. Right? Head is there. Body. Body. Right? Form I have given. Right? Okay. Now I'll write. So if I want the bootstrap, you can use the bootstrap forms also. Right? Now in the bootstrap, we have a form group is there. Okay. Now just see this. Okay. Okay, fine. So here, what we can write is input tag. Div tag. Let me write up one. Where is it? Let's try. Right? Okay. Now here. Forms. Input group. Right? Now I want some like this. Okay. What I'll do is I'll just take this one. I can take label. I want label also. 1 second. Input type button. Because typing it will take a lot of time. That's why I'm just checking for this kind of thing. Okay. Now I'll just take this. Add one. Okay. Now I'll change these classes because I'm not using any bootstrap now. If you want to use, you can use. There is nothing wrong in it. So I'm taking it as a form hyphen group. Okay. Then after that, what is that? Full name. Full name. Right? I have given 2 class names. One is group and the class is full name. Right? Label for full name. Right? So you can write class. We don't have a class here. We'll write for. Wait, I'll change it and I'll share it, Sukranjan. Right? Done. Now here I'll write full name. right? Full name, right? If you want it in capital letters, you can write it, or you can also write it in the camel case. This is called as camel case, okay? So full name, right? Now it is input type is equal to text, right? Class is ID is equal to full name. ID is equal to full name. Right? Okay. Then after that, placeholder is equal to placeholder is equal to, you can write full name, enter your full name. Enter your full name and close the div tag. Okay. Now see here, like this, I can also use email address. Okay. Just copy. Email. Then you can give it as email. This is here, type is email. You can give it as text. So we can, with JavaScript, you can write it. Nizwan, I said I will give you. Okay. Just give me some time. I'm changing it. I'm giving it, right. At least 2 or 3, I will change it and I'll share it with you. I don't know whether my voice is reaching or not. Okay. I said that, wait, I'll change and I'll give you. Okay. Kindly understand. Right. Like this, you can give for password. Okay. So this is the form. Whole source code, I cannot paste it. Okay. So we can paste it only the form I have pasted. Reminding everything, please type it, form and all. Okay. So head and title, link and everything, you can type it. Because longer file we cannot share. ID to email. So that's why people have to be a very patient, right? You people are very impatient before I give you. So I'll forget to change something. Thanks, dear, for reminding me. Right? Here, password. Right? Type is equal to password. This is again password. ID is equal to password. Enter your password. Right? If you want date of birth, date, for date of birth, type date, ID date, placeholder, select your date of birth, DOBI, right? So this is for, if you are not typing that also, right? This is for date of birth and this one. Yes, we are doing client-side validations, boss. Okay. Right? Now, if you want gender, class is equal to gender for gender. Right? This is gender. Type is equal to, so I'm not taking input type here. Right? I'll take select. I'll take select. Drop down. I'm creating a drop down. ID is equal to gender. Right? Option. I'm writing the options for the drop down. Option. Right? Male. So what is the value of this? We have to take is equal to male. Similarly, for female, I am writing. Female. Right? Other. Other. So this is for drop down. This is for drop down. So this is for drop down. I've given the drop down code also in the chat. So we are done with the drop down. Right? Now div. Right? Submit button. Right? Button is equal to submit. Right? Class. Form group. Right? Submit. Here, input type is equal to input type is equal to submit. Right? Value is equal to submit. Value is equal to submit. So we are closing the form. So this is the total form. I'll try to do it here. No, it is not allowing. So let me share the file itself. This is login.html. This is login.html. If you double click on it, it will open like this. Okay, fine. Now what you have to do? So download it, right? Right click on it, open file location. Okay, or you can also use right click on it, inspect, or you can also use like this. See, right click on it, view page source. See, you can copy this. If you're opening, you're not able to open it, right? Control C, then you can copy into your file. See, you can copy into the file like this. Okay, so how, right? Open the file which I've shared. Right? Okay. Open the file which I have shared. Right click on it, view page source. You'll be able to see all the HTML code. I've shared the file. Submit also we can take, Rasika. If I'm writing on submit event, right, then it will be submit only. Right? See here, I'm going to open it in the. This is how it is. Now I want to style it. Okay. Now what I'll do, already I have some predefined styling is there. One second. minute. One minute, I'll share the screen back. One minute. Because writing the CSS will take a lot of time. Okay, right now see, let me share the screen back. See here, this is the output I got. Okay, now I'll share that particular CSS also. No, I'm not muted, dear. No, I'm not muted. Amara, is it muted? Guys, am I audible? Yes, right. Okay, fine. Great, great. Okay, thank you so much. Fine. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, right. See here. CSS. I'm sending the CSS file. See, just click on here. It will open directly. Okay, so download it here. You can just copy or you can open it. Okay, so once you add this CSS, right? So this will be the output. So once you add the CSS for the this one, right? See, this is this one. Now button is also disabled. See, button is also disabled, right? Okay. So this is up to CSS. Now we have to write the JavaScript. We will write the JavaScript. We are saving the time for writing the JavaScript. Right? I will create one more file. Okay. Here in the same one. Right? Success.html. Success.html. So once we are completing, means we are successfully submitting it. Okay. So we need to write some success message. Always there will be thank you for registering in our portal, like that. Okay. So now what I'll do is just take this body, close the body, close the HTML, right? Now what we can do is, so title we are writing success page, or you can write it as or. It's not from my side, dear. Someone has got unmuted. I don't know. Guys, someone has unmuted. Please go on mute. Okay, fine. Right, success page, or there is pipe symbol. Where is this pipe symbol in this laptop? Here it is. Fine, no worries. Now what I'll do, I can find here login dot. You don't need a sheet here. Okay. So remove it. Now here in the body, right, in the body, H1, right? Thank you for registering. Thank you for registering with us. Okay, right? Yes, exam is there at 8 o'clock. Please don't ask again the same questions, please. Right? Amol, I'm not the right person to do this. Okay, so just send the message to the Amar. Right? Done. Okay. So success.html. Now, once I click on the submit button, right? Once I click on the submit button, wait here, submit hyphen btn. Right? Now see the change. Hovering is there. Submit button it is, right? So we have written submit is capital letter, right? There is some hovering, is the color hovering, which we have written in our CSS. Here it is. Form, label, size, everything, background color, right? Input error element, select error element, password, right? Everything, right? Hover it is there. It is going to give a very light color to dark color. Okay. Submit button, input colon hover. Hover we have given here, right? Here, you just see this. We have given some fonts. Okay. You can import the fonts also. You can import the fonts. If you want Bootstrap inside the login.css, you can do that by using this @import. Someone asked me question, but I could not answer that day, right? You can use import URL, right? And you can give the Bootstrap URL here. Someone asked me, ma'am, can we import the... No, I have created it in for my example. It is already the predefined code, which I have used, okay, in some other one. Time is not there, so I'm using the predefined, because CSS will take a lot of time. Okay, that's why. See here. This is not predefined. This is not at all predefined. It's a created one. I have created it for other sessions. Okay, so this I am using it here. Okay, so what I'm saying is, if you want to download or import the Bootstrap, you can import the Bootstrap using this syntax. Import URL. Instead of this URL, you can write it in the single quotation, the Bootstrap URL. Okay. So this is one, login.css. Login.html is also done. Now I'll create the final file, that is login.js. Login.js. Ma'am, you have not attached the login.js. Where you want to attach? Now I'll write it after the form. I'll write script src is equal to, right, login.js. In the body, I'm entering. In the body, I'm adding the script. At the end, I'm adding the script. Okay. Now, in the login.js, JS is the crucial one now. Is the crucial one. Now I want to select whole form. Here I have a form tag. Observe guys, form tag. Okay. Const I'm using. Const is the keyword. Yesterday we discussed. For ma'am, you are writing const here and form is equal to, right? Now I'm selecting the form. See here. Document dot get query selector. Query selector. So query selector is a predefined method which will help us for selecting total form. I'm selecting total form. Query selector will select all the values in the form. Means it will just select the array of HTML elements and inside the form. Array of HTML elements inside the form. See here, returns the first element that is descendant of that node matches the selector. All the selectors will get taken. Now see here, from that, see here, const password input is equal to, right? Document dot get element by ID. We have discussed this already in the first session of get element by ID. Get element by ID. What is the ID we have given for the password? Here, password is password only. The type is equal to password. Control C. Double quotation. It will read the password and store it in this const. Now I want to const pause, right? Toggle the button. Means it is, we are reading the button. We are reading the button. 1 second. Okay, this we have not given in our code because that we have not given anything. We're not given anything for this. Script file I have attached the after the form. After that from before the body tag, I have attached it. In the body, I have attached it. Right? Okay. Now see here. Now see here. I'm going to read all the values now. Const. Okay, that is only one HTML file, Aryan. Okay, so just write thanks only. That's it, nothing else. Please do it. How much spoon feeding you people want it, boss? Just an H1 tag I have written. Nothing else is there in that. I have given it, please. Okay. Now see here. Const. Const. First, I'm going to write full name. Full name input is equal to document dot get element by ID. Document dot get element by ID. Full name. Right. Now const. We'll write it for what is it? Email input. Email. Now we'll write again. Right? Okay. Gender input. right? Gender. Done. Right? Now I'm going to read the values of the above input elements. Read the values of the above elements. Here it is going to read total input element itself, but I want only the value. I don't want total input element. How to read the value? See here, const, right? Full name is equal to full name input dot right, value dot input dot value dot. There is a method called value dot trim. Trim method is there. If there is any spaces is there, because yesterday I discussed one small thing, right? Whatever we enter it in the form, right? Whatever you enter it in the browser, it is everything is a text. Everything is a text. Now see here. So trim will trims the trim method, right? Trims the white spaces. White spaces means any spaces are there, first or last, right? Okay, that will get trimmed. If any white spaces are there, first or last, not in the middle. Okay, first or last of the word, if there is white spaces are there, it will trim off. It will trim off. Right? Email. Right? Now, password. Date. Gender. Date input I forgot to read here. You know, one reminded me. Date. Date. I have given date only, right? ID. ID date only I have given. Okay. Right. Now here, email, password, gender, and date. Okay. Here it is. Password input dot gender input dot date input dot string, right? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So I've given you here. This is I've given that in the correctly in the box. So all this code I have given in the chat. Whether it is reached or not, I don't know. Everyone in meeting it is. Wait. Now it is everyone in meeting I have selected. Last time it was only for Vishal. Right. Now, regular expression. It is nothing but, right, code for checking email or password. Okay. So I'm writing means like raw code. Raw code means raw syntax. I can say it is raw syntax for checking email. Regular expression is nothing but it will have some particular syntax will be there. We will be creating that regular expression to check whether our email is proper or not. Now see here, const email pattern is equal to, now we will write like this, slash, what is it? Cap symbol, cap. Cap symbol, right? And again cap symbol, space. Yes, buddy, you have to write, okay, where is the name? You have not written the name, okay, right? Dot value dot trim, you can write it here. Like this you can write, okay? So this should be, name should be there. Right? Okay, now I'm writing right, plus at the rate, whether at the rate is there. Cap means any characters or any integers or anything. It can start with anything. Okay, now it should contain at the rate. It should contain at the rate. After that, it can contain any number of characters or integer or anything. Okay, cap means. Then plus, it should contain slash, I'll give slash, where is the slash? This new laptop is harassing me. This is a new slash, where is that slash? This is the one function, okay, right, dot. I'm checking whether the dot is available or not, okay. And after that, it can be small a to small z after dot. Then after that, how many will be there? Dot com or dot in, okay. Only two, means 2 to 3 characters it should be there after dot, like, right, xyz@gmail.com, right, dot in, right, dot org, right, dot gov, right. So like that, after dot we can have only 3 characters. See here, 2 comma 3 characters. 2 comma means 2 to 3 characters. 2 to 3 characters, right. Then this is the symbol is end. And this is the starting of the regular expression. This is the ending of the regular expression. If you are writing a starting expression, you should start like this. Okay. If you are completing a regular expression, you need to use dollar. That shows that it is a end of the regular expression, close and semicolon. These two are starting of the regular expression. These two are ending of the regular expression. Now here, this bracket represent, it can be small a to small z, capital A to capital Z, 1, 2, 3 to 9. Anything it can be there. Anything it can be there. So it can have any type of character. Then after that, it should contain, okay, along with the characters, one character should be at the rate. And after that, any characters can be there. Then dot, right? So like yahoo.co.in, co.com, something like that. So com is there means 3 characters. In is there means 2 characters, right? So that too should be A to Z only. You should not have any small a to small z. It should not have any integers or it should not have any symbols. So we are writing it. It will check whether you have entered the proper email or not. So regular expressions are the expressions, right? Or short code to check you are entering the right right? Sample email is what? Sample email, ma, right? If I have like swapna@gmail.com, this will get checked. So this is for this, for this, Gmail is for this, okay? This is for Gmail. After that, okay, .com is this one. If you can have Swapna123 also, right? It will work. Swapna.123 is there, it will work. This part will work. Swapna_123 is there. This part will work. Okay. Swapna $123 is there. This part will work. Okay. So what I am saying is this part can contain any character. This part is for this one. Then along in it, it should contain @. Then after that, it should contain the Gmail, right? Then it is .com means. It's a very simple one. We can even check whether it is only characters or not. It is a very simple one I have written here. Right? Now see here. See this. Performing validation checks. Performing validation checks. Right? Okay. Now, if statement I'm using. Yesterday we discussed if statement. If full name triple equal to empty. If it is not entered. If it is not entered. If it is not entered. I'm writing a method called show error. Means I have not written any function here. Till now I have not written any function. Okay. I'm going to write one function called show error. And I'll call that function here. Because multiple times I have to call. Multiple times I have to call this code. Okay. For every error, I want to call this code. So instead of writing only one thing, every time I'm writing here. So as it is a repeated code, I write a function and I'll call that function here. Right? In this function, I'm going to pass full name input, comma, right? Okay. So enter your full name. Enter your full name. Now, in the show error, okay, I'm writing error, field, which field it is showing an error. And this is the error message. This is the error text or error message. This is error message, right? So this will store it here, which field it is. And this will store, the message will store it in this parameter. In this parameter. Right. Okay. Next, after that, see here, I'm writing, see this in here. If it is calling this function, it should show that error, right? That error message gets shown, right? Now see here, field is there, dot, right? Class list, dot, add, class list dot add, right? I'm going to error. I'm writing one field, I'm adding. I'm going to add one field. Okay, see here. Const error email is equal to, just see this, document dot create element. There is already method is there. Now I'm going to create one HTML element called small. Small is there. Small means like this. See here. Just see this. Small tag is there. I'm going to create the small tag. See, I'll show you like this. Small, where is it? Thank you is not there. So success, I'll show you. So small means like this text message will come. Small text message will come. Okay. So I'm creating this HTML element using JavaScript. See, as I already said, JavaScript uses DOM, document object model, right? HTML also uses document object model. CSS also uses document object model. So I can change the DOM structure. I can change the DOM structure using the create element. See, create an instance of the element of the for the specified tag. You can create table tag if you want to create. You can create the table also dynamically. Okay. So any element you can create. If you want to create H1 tag dynamically, you can create the H1 tag. Create element is the method, right? To create an element specified tag. Whatever the tag you specify here, that element will get created using create element. And that will be added to the document. That will be added to the document. Okay. See here. Now, I'll write it here as instead of error email, error element. Because it will be a common error element for anything, for all the list. We don't need to write again for one for the email, one for the full name, one for the password. So we are creating one common error element. So whatever the error message is there, I'm going to display using the small tag by creating it dynamically. When it will show an error, when you don't enter it, okay, see here, error element dot class list dot add. So I'm writing. So for this, there is a text is there, right? Text I want. So whatever the error text is there, that error text will go here. See here. I'm going to add one text. Now see here. Error.
Okay, అదే నెట్ రాకపోతే చేశారు.
Someone has unmuted. Please go unmute. Inner text. Ma'am, what is this inner text? Okay. See here. This is inner text. This is inner text. I want to create that tag and then I want to send some text inside that tag. See here. Inner text is equal to error text. Whatever error text is there, that will be the inner text. Okay. Right? Done. Now see here. Field dot closest dot, right? So whatever the form tag is there, you are using that form tag. See, I'm going to use dot form hyphen group. And I have a method called append child. Sorry, there is no dot. Append child, right? Error element. Append child is, it will create the DOM like this. What is it? paint. Right? Now let's see this. Here you have form. Here you have a form is there. Now here you have a input elements are there, right? Full name. Now what happens is, if I don't enter the full name, I want to write some small text here. Dynamically. It should not be predefined. Okay. So when I don't enter and try to submit the form, then it should show this message. Right? So how I can dynamically create? As I said, we are going, see, JavaScript uses DOM. It can manipulate the DOM also using these predefined methods like create element and append child. Now what happens is, we are creating an element like small tag. In the small tag, I'm writing this error message. And that error message I want to display here. I want to display like this, small message. Like this, color. Enter the full name. Right? This should be dynamically created. So this code will do. Now for suppose, I'm writing for the password. Okay. I'm creating for the password. Now, after this, right? After this, right? Password is not properly entered, right? Now it will show enter the password. Enter the password. That in red color. Ma'am, where did you set this red color? In the CSS is there. Just check. Just check. So like this, it will automatically create. It will automatically create if there is an error message. If there is an error message is there. Okay. So here on writing, see here, I'm checking for the email. If not, right, email pattern, if it is not following the email pattern, so I'm testing whether it is following the email pattern or not. So I'm reading the email. If it is not, email is not following the email pattern, now I'm calling the show message, right? Enter a valid email. Like this, I can write it for all the elements I can write. Okay. See, like then what we can do? Okay. 1 second. What is the problem is, I have to write one function here. Forgot to write one function because I have to call that function. Const. No, that is correct only. Don't worry. Okay. Don't worry. That is correct only, Chand. Handle form data. Right? Right, here it is closed, right? So now just see this. Okay. Function I have to write, not const. Function E, right? Done. Now see here. I'm stopping the prevent default I have to write. Otherwise, it will just see here. Just see why I'm writing this. Just see. If I'm clicking submit, just click on the submit. It is refreshing. See. Clicking means it is getting refreshed when I click on the submit, right? So if you want to stop that refresh, you have a method called e.prevent default. E means event. E means event. E.prevent default is the method to stop that refreshing of the code. As already we have did. Now just see. Let me see. Okay, fine. Otherwise, we'll take it a button that time if it is not working. Done. So here I have written one show error for two input elements. I'm validating it. Okay. Now I have read the data. Okay. Now here, even these points also will go inside only. Yes, Mr. Kamalarchan. Don't ask me, ma'am, when there is a exam. Okay. Other than that, any other things you can ask. Pattern of the exam will be MCQs only. 50 questions MCQs will be there. Okay. So just wait for some more time. You will be able to write it. That is a field dot closet means if you see here, okay, so it will check any field is there, very closest one with the name form group. With the name form group. Okay, it will check if any field is there, means any element is there with the name form group. So, right now see here, before submitting, guys, let me finish it off this. Else the exam will get delayed and you people have to stay back. Okay. Checking for any remaining errors before form submission. Before form submission. Right? Const error inputs is equal to, right, document dot, there is a method called query selector all. Okay, which will select all the form groups here. Dot form group, dot form hyphen group. It will select all the form group elements, comma, form group dot error. Dot error. Any errors are there with dot error? Okay, so it will just stop submitting the form. It will stop submitting the form. See here, if error inputs dot length. Okay, it will returns the array of errors. It will returns the array of errors. If any errors are there, if length of that array is greater than, right, 0, I'm writing return. Means empty return I'm doing. Empty return I'm doing. If not, form dot submit. Form dot submit. Form dot submit. Form dot submit. Where is the error? I didn't find any error. I didn't find any error. Is there any error means it will show an error for suppose if it is not added. So it will show this red color. Okay. See, there is a red color dot is there. So it will show an error. Okay. For me, there is no error. If you please check. Okay, right. Done. Now here. Right. Handling of the form. Handling form submission. Form submission. Form dot add event listener is there. Add event listener. So what is the event? When it submit the form, right, comma, it should call handle form data. Okay. It will call handle form data method. Right? Let me see whether it is working or not working. Anything is there? See? Enter your full name. Enter your full name. Valid email ID. See? Now it is, refresh it. Enter some valid email ID. Submit. It is submitting the form. Okay. So there is no error. Now, let a small change is there. Something I may missed it. Because it's not coming under the email, right? Under the email, it is not coming. Wait, what is the error and what is the problem? It is 1 second. The problem is here I have given this one, right? Email input I have to give. That is the error. So now, first, see, enter a valid email name, enter your full name. So I can just enter a valid email. Now see here, refresh. When you click on the submit button, it's not clearing also, right? It's not clearing, right? That's why it is not submitting. It's not clearing, it's not submitting also. So what we can do is, we can write some code for clearing that data. Right? See here. Right? Clearing previous error message. Right? We can create error message. Right? Document dot query selector all. Right? So if I'm writing here, form group and error, right? There is a method called for each method is there in array. It will read each value and it will take each field, right? Now see here. Here, field dot class list dot. I'm removing the entries. Remove. Remove double quotation error. So the error will get removed. The error will get removed. Okay. Now, first suppose any text is there, that text is there, that also we need to remove, right? See here. Error hyphen text. Error hyphen text. Same dot for each. Remove. That's it. Let me try. should remove when we are calling it. It's not removing. Maybe something I have written wrong. Okay. But the validations are working. There is no errors. Right? Okay. So, ma'am, after submitting, it is not going to the thanks.html, right? See here, small code change. We have to write it in the login dot. In the form, there is an attribute called action. Action is equal to, right? So you can pass it for any success.html. Now see here. Let's refresh it. Enter all the details. Thanks for registering with us. It is transferring the control to the next one. So like this, you can write the validations. For all other fields also you can write. Okay. So that's about how to add the validations. Like again, you have to write if statement and you can write it. That is a challenge, no ma'am. If I'm sharing the files, I don't know, wait. Let me add them into Google Drive and share the Google Drive link. This is not my authorized email ID. Okay, only for Google Drive link, I use this. Don't write any email for me here. Okay. I will not be available. It's a code is there. You can check it, Sukaranda. Right. This is the drive link where you can find the files. All the 4 files are there here. Okay. Right. Any questions are there? Let me know. So that's about the JavaScript in brief. Okay. So it is not enough 2 days and 3 days or 4 days, how much ever it is. Minimum 20 days is required for understanding the JavaScript properly. Okay, right? So whatever possible is there, I did that. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Yes, you can download it, boss. I think, let me see permission what I've given. Only you can view it, you cannot download it. Okay.
Oh, guys, no need to share the editor request to the ma'am's email. Okay, you can just download that file. If you click on that link, you are able to download. If you share the multiple requests, it will be problematic. So please don't share the editor request for the same.
We can, if you can download, best, no, Sushant. If you can download it, please.
Yes, they are able to download.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So 5 minutes is there for asking your questions, last day questions. Any questions are there? Then you will be writing the exam, right? I'll be there here only, but any doubts in the questions in the exam also I'll answer, but don't ask me answers. So we have discussed all the questions, whatever questions are there in the exam, you will be able to answer it. Most of the things we have completed in CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. All the important topics we have completed. So any other questions are there? Let me know. Thank you, Devi, so much. So Charan, I didn't see you. For means like if you have not understood there itself, you could have asked me yesterday itself, right, Charan? Where were you yesterday? Exam duration 50 questions, 40 minutes. Drive login HTML only was showing up. No, dear, it will be there. See this. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 40 minutes, Akanksha. Notes I have shared it with Amar. Amar will give you, dear. Or else will be, wait, let me upload it here only. But here I don't have the other laptop, I have notes. I've shared it with the team, XLR team. Yes, yes, yes. It is in the YouTube, my Arita. Let keyword is used for block scope, Rajeshwar. Yesterday we discussed, okay. Where keyword is for global scope, Rajeshwar. Yes. Sayed, better it is to complete the exam. $40 to your Monali. 40 minutes, 8:30 to 9:10. 50 questions are there. All MCQs only, Shifa. You people will not take much time. Today only exam, dear. Shashank, today only exam. Now itself, 8:40 to 8:30 to 9:10. Thank you, Ravi. Browser, ma. Hey, exam link is yet to be shared. Wait for some time, guys. So at 8:30, Amar will share the exam link. Exam link will be shared by Amar at 8:30. Please wait, guys. Have patience, dear. Have patience, dear. Thank you, Kamala Archana. MCQ only, dear. New topics also there, no? Amar said, right? Already some registration link has been shared with you on the WhatsApp, no? Runalini. If you want to, if you are registered, there will be few more sessions on some of the topics in the coming days. Thank you, Sayed. Thank you. Thank you, Harni. Thank you, Priya. Thank you so much. So with that, I don't know, actually. Devi, he will send you date. Suman, thank you so much. It make my day. Kashish, thank you so much, Kashish. Thank you, Mallikarjuna. Thank you. 3 star only you have given. Hey, why you have given only 3 star? Give me 5 star, Nilaveni. Yeah, I too miss you all. Oh, thank you so much. 10 star. Thank you, Amal. Thank you so much. Thanks for all the love, guys. Thank you so, so much. It's made my day, guys. Thank you so much. Exam is very easy. Don't miss you, dear. Miss you too. Thank you so much. Amar, please share 8:30 it is. Thank you so much. Miss you all, guys. Yes, exam link has been shared. Guys, please. 1K stars, sir. Thank you so much, guys. Miss you too. Miss you too. Sayali, miss you too. Miss you too, guys. Thank you so much, Amal. Miss you too, dear. Love, lots of love. Lots of love for everyone. Lots of love. Guys, start the exam. Exam link is shared by Amar. All the best, guys. All the best. Keep rocking. Okay. You will be on heights. Okay. So thanks for showing us lots of love, lots of love, lots of love.
So those who are asking me for the attendance link, so please don't ask me for the attendance link. Once we are done with the test, then and then only I'm going to share the attendance link. Okay. After the completion of the test, after 9-10, I have few more announcement. I want to show the top 10 topper of this program. I have announcement for the upcoming program as well. So please be there. Every day I'm sharing the attendance link at 8:30. Okay. So today at least don't ask me for the attendance. Guys, last 10 minutes. So please make sure that you are going to submit your assessment within time. Okay. Those who are in the top 10, what they will get. Yeah, don't worry. I will give the heads up to them as well. Don't worry. We can be there. Okay, so you are able to admit yours. Attendance link sent Kara. I already explained that. I will share the attendance link in the last 5 minutes. So let others complete the assessment. I know that those who are submitted attendance, you're very smart guys. You already submitted before the time only, and you got good numbers as well. But please let others also finish. Okay. So kindly wait for the same. I got the 100 out of 100. One participant messaged me over the YouTube. Wonderful. Guys, 8 more minutes. I got 100 out of 46. Okay, Sai, no problem. If there is any mistake, no need to worry. It will be same for all, right? Sorry. Please send the attendance link again and not share that first time only. How to send again? Is 86 is a good score? It's a very good score. You cracked the examination first class with distinction. What you want more? But definitely you can try for 100 out of 100. Yes, guys, there is one question which don't have answer. So no need to worry. There is a mistake from the team. It's okay. So it will be remain same for the all if we're not able to close that. But as of now, I'm not going to change anything because lots of you already submitted the test. Okay. Attendance link, please. क्या रे क्या करूँ तुम्हारा मैं? Yes, certificate, everything you will receive. Don't worry. Let's wait for 5 more minutes. I'm going to explain each and everything. Kamalesh 98. Okay, good. Sukranjan, how many marks you receive? Okay, good. Don't worry about the others. You can see your marks, where we are, where you are. Okay. What we have to do, how much we have to practice, where is our future, where is our competitors. Okay. you started comparison between you only, like, hey, he received 90, I received 40. It's not, it's okay. Garu, yeah, I saw that. It's okay. No need to worry about that. Sir, please share exam link. So there, if you are going to work be like 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, again 1A, still you are not able to complete, but I'm sharing that, what to do. Nijav Akbars. Yeah, I will explain that. Okay. Most of you receive about 60. It's wonderful. The average percentage is a 61.62. So all of you are in the first class. Good. Abhishek Ufala, please be there. I will reply on your message. Don't worry. Okay, so 4 more minutes. Nikita, presently. Yeah, present. If you are going to say the present, sir, I'm not going to mark your attendance. Okay. Exam link, please. Who is there? No, there is no any repeated question, but problem is that now one question don't have an answer. That's why. But no need to worry. I'm saying that if you are dropping your name, I'm not going to mark your attendance. I'm not sitting here by taking a book and pen like, hey, I'm noting down the names. Be there. Because you are hungry. I feel that today you are hungry for marks. Today you have to be hungry for the knowledge, right? Not one day. We'll keep a fast for 15 more minutes. Then you can go for your dinner. Okay. Sir, yes, tell me. Last 2 minutes. I hope all of you submitted your test. Those who are remaining, please, I'm requesting submit your test. Yes, sir, submitted. Thank you. I will explain everything. Please be there. Sumant will share the attendance link as well. Submitted. Thank you, Dinesh. There is one wonderful comment. Ayush Singh is there. अबे किसने क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाया है बे आता है क्या नहीं कुछ sorry we're not able to do anything, that's why we're here. You can share your contact details, definitely will connect with you, then you can teach us. Okay. Ayush and Mayank, you can share your contact details with me. Definitely I will connect with you. I'm ready to learn from you as well. Okay guys, last 1 minute and I'm going to close the test. Okay, so thank you so much guys. I'm closing the test for now. I hope so. I will give the 30 more seconds. to submit your test. Okay, so I'm closing a test. I hope all of you submitted your test. Thank you so much for attending the test. And now I will assign one task to you. Let me confirm before that my voice is loud and clear to all of you. My voice is loud and clear to all of you. Thank you so much for confirmation, dear participants. Mm, 1 minute. Mayank is there? Ayush. Okay, yeah, sure. Thank you so much, dear participants, for waiting. So next announcement is that I know that every day you are giving us the wonderful feedback about the training program. You are sharing your thoughts, how you are feeling about the session. So today I again want feedback, but over our Google link, over our Google page. Okay. So I hope all of you are going to help me with the same and you are going to share such a wonderful feedback with us. I hope you are able to see my screen. So I'm going to share few links with you for different location. If you're from Maharashtra, you can give the feedback for Maharashtra. If you're from Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, you can give the feedback for that location. If you're from Karnataka, give for that location. And if you're not belonging from above any three of the location, you can go for others. So while mentioning the feedback, once you click on this link, you are able to see this kind of page. So mention your star rating out of 5. And here you can mention your real-time feedback. How you feel about the session, how was the sessions are going, about the full stack development, what you learn, what technology you learn about the Sopna ma'am, how we teach you. Okay, so we have paid batches as well in the full stack development. So don't use any free of cost training word. You can use any another word regarding the full stack development. So I'm sharing that, and it's your task for next 5 minutes. And within that 5 minutes, I'm going to prepare a result. Okay. I'm going to prepare a result for top 10 toppers and I will show you that. Meanwhile, please submit your, finish your task. Okay. Finish your task and let me know. Once you are done with your task, please update me in the chat box. I'm going to check each of review from your side. I know that. Okay, so please, I'm requesting share your reviews. Yes, guys, I'm sharing the link over the YouTube as well. So please take it forward. One more time, please don't use any free word, okay? Because our other participant used to get the confused. I'm sharing all the links over the Zoom once again. So please submit your feedback, share your ratings with us. That means a lot. Yes, guys, I will take your all queries and questions. Don't worry about that. Yes, guys, you have to write a review. Thank you so much, Amol, for 5-star review. Thanks a lot, guys. I know that Sri Lakshmi is saying when I submit my test, I got like this. Ma'am, fundamental of full stack development assessment. The form, yeah, it's not going to take because I already informed that it will close sharp at 9:10. Okay, so meanwhile, I will prepare your result. You can complete your task. Okay, so those who are done, please confirm in the chat box. Within 2 minutes, I will just release the result and I will share the attendance as well. Okay, I will share the feedback form again with you. Those who are yet to finish, please close your feedback. Gary, guys, hello. Guys, are you able to hear me? Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Anybody here would like to say that, hey, I am the topper. I'm there in the top 10 list. Anybody's there? I think those who raised the hand, they are there. They want to say that. Yes, I'm there. I wish I would. Okay, Yeah. So stay tuned. I'm sharing my screen and confirm me once it's visible. Check it if your name is there. Yes, so here is our top 10 list. So first one is Raj Mishra. Nikhil, Shubham, Piyush, Washim, Sanika Chaudhary. Sorry guys, 1 minute. Yes, so Raj, Nikhil, Shubham, Piyush, Sheikh Washim, Sanika, Shivani, then Kalidas, then Aditya, then Ravindra. How many you are there? Are you there, guys? My screen is stuck. Okay. I hope now you're able to see. Congratulations, dear guys. Yes, congratulations. Okay, I'm closing the screen and I hope and I know as well what you are waiting for. What you are waiting for. Attendance link, absolutely right. First of all, I will share the attendance. Then you can mark your attendance. Then I will inform about the another information what you're there. Okay. So just 1 minute. Yes, so I shared the attendance link in the chat box. So please mark your attendance. And as usual, every day, don't forget to share your feedback as well. GSK Gaming, yeah, sure, we'll upload the material in the LMS. Arnika Gunjar, yeah, if you shared message at one time, now definitely we're able to read that or see that. No need to paste it again and again. Okay. Yes, Ayush, you can share your contact number, please. Guys, you never ever values what we're getting. I feel that. So those who are here to really learn, let them learn. Okay. If you don't, no problem. You can leave the session. Yes, so guys, I shared the attendance link. Next thing is that, so those who mark their attendance more than 60 and 60%, they will receive their certificate within 78 working days. Okay. So those who mark their attendance more than 60%, 60 or 60%, they will receive their certificate via registered email ID within 78 working days. Oh, yes. And those who are top 10 toppers are there in the list. Yes, definitely. They will get the extra certificate of appreciation from XLR. They will get the chance to visit our XLR office, wherever is the near office. Definitely, you can visit our office. You will get some gift hampers from our side. Okay. And you will get some Amazon voucher as well as appreciation from our team to attending the program and to scoring a good mark. So coming to the assessment link, so those who miss, no need to worry. We are not going to be like work on attendance plus assessment. Assessment just for your practice purpose. Would like to see that how much knowledge you earn from the training program. Okay, so no need to worry about that. Assessment mark are only for your practice purpose. Excellent program, sir. Thank you so much. So next one announcement. Few days ago, I received few concern about the paid courses of the XLR. Okay, so those who are looking for a career counseling with the XLR team, we are open for that, and I'm sharing that career counseling link in the chat box. So those who are interested to connect with our industry expert, you can fill that form. Our team will connect with you, and definitely they will guide you what course you have to choose, what we need to do in the future. Okay. It's motivational courses. Definitely. See, guys, coming to the motivational part now, every time we not required any motivational speaker. Okay, hey, I need to attend that session to be a motivate. You have to be motivate on your own. From your batch only, I will make sure that anybody will getting the 20 LPA. Anybody will get the 2 LPA. So it's in your hand where you have to be. Okay, it's the biggest motivation. And if you feel that I have to quit, I don't have to go for that, go to your parent, definitely ask them what should I do. That's the biggest motivation for you. Okay, and coming to other side, like ma'am is there, our XLR team is there to support you. The inner motivation is the most important. Okay, attendance link, yeah, sure, I'm sharing that. LMS link is onlinelearning.xlr.com. Yes, you will receive the certificate within 7 to 8 working days. Sir, please do something about the attendance which I didn't got from few days. Pranjal, how you not received because you not attended the session? Sir, please share my marks. Deepak, you only need to see your marks because that option is there. After submitting the test, you are able to see the marks. Sir, I watched recording session on YouTube last 3 days because of network issue at my home. So I was not able to attend through last 3 days. Will I eligible for certificate? So coming to the attendance percentage, 60%. So out of 10, you have to mark the attendance for at least six session. Okay. 6 session attendance is mandatory. Guys, now one more announcement from my side. Sorry, I am just bothering you by announcing many and many things, but we are starting one more training program from tomorrow onwards. And the program name is Git and GitHub for 20 hours. The time will be the same 7 to 9. So I would like to request that those who are really interested to skill up themselves, definitely you can go and you can mark your registration. By tomorrow morning, you will get the LMS access for the same. You will get the link via WhatsApp as a reminder. If your friends, your colleagues, your family members are interested for the same, yes, please, you can share the link with them as well. Yes, I'm interested. Yeah, so I'm done with all my announcements. Now, if you would like to share any feedback, if you have any suggestions, like if anybody like to teach us definitely. The chat box is open for you. And I would like to thanks Swapna ma'am for such a wonderful sessions from the last 10 days without any cancellation, without any delay. We're running this course. Thank you so much from bottom of my heart.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you everyone, guys. Love you all. Okay. So expect more and more success for you guys, and bless you all. Thank you.
And thanks to the participant as well, because without your participation, it's not possible. So please be there. Keep coding, keep practicing with the XLR. Definitely each and every time we are there for you. Skill is the first, certificate is the second. Okay. But to show somewhere whatever skill you have, you require certificate. Okay. And for that purpose, we are keeping recording with you for lifetime. We're going to upload all the material. We're taking the assessment. So please use of that. Hello, sir, from where we get our certificate. So you will receive your certificate via registered email ID within 7 to 8 working days. It's not like that, Reshma. Anybody can attend the Git and GitHub training program. Those, at least those who knows what is Git and GitHub, what is the use of that, definitely they can attend. We're going to start from the basic. Thank you for launching new program. Yes, because you are going to miss us now. We don't want to miss you. That's why we're launching one more training program. We'd like to see you there as well. Yes, definitely, Nikita. That certificate will be helpful because you can just upgrade that certificate in your resume as extracurriculum activity. And you can go over the Google or you can ask the chat GPT, what is the power of the XLR, where we are, where we located, how many courses we are providing. Definitely it will be affect. And before the certificate, you gain the knowledge. That is also important. No? Let me check the comment over the YouTube as well. Thank you, ma'am, for your knowledge and sharing your experience. Thank you so much. Hello, sir. I didn't register for this course, but I attending the classes every day, so I will get the certificate. It's depend upon your attendance. But if you're looking for the recorded videos for your lifetime purpose and documents as well, then definitely you can do a registration. Sanika, sir, what will the top 10 student will get? They will get the Amazon voucher, then they will get the certificate of appreciation. They will get the chance to meet us at XLR. They will get some, many more things are there. You can come just, you can be a topper for the next program. You will get the chance, okay? And don't be nervous. Those who are there, I know that on 96, more than 30 participants are there, okay? But those who are real toppers, I just shown them. Attendance link, yeah, attendance link I'm sharing. Yes, guys, we'll be there for 2 more minutes, then we'll wind up. So if you have anything to share with us, please. Sir, I have attended all the sessions, but I am not able to mark the attendance. Then on this note, you gain the knowledge, but not the certificate. When will the receive the certificate? Yeah, you will receive within 7 to 8 working days. You can check it over the email. If you feel that my attendance is more than 60%, definitely you can check in the spam box. Also, we're sending a lots of email at one time. There are chances to drop that email in the spam box. So please check over there. Again, if you feel that, hey, I already marked the attendance more than 60%. How dare you? How you not share me the certificates? No need to worry. I'm sharing the email ID. You can simply drop an email at edl@xlr.com. Our team will check your attendance and they will let you know what is the status of your certificate. See, again, if we are at graduate state, drop an email properly. You are dropping an email, sir, I noticed the certificate. What is your name? What is your email ID? Which course you attended? Subject should be proper subject. You are drafting in a full email in subject only. Whenever I'm going to reply, I don't want to reply as well on your emails. So please be proper in the email at least. Okay. We are not on WhatsApp. Email is a proper way of communication. Okay. So please be there proper and learn that as well. How to drop an email. If you ask somebody now, definitely they will help. Learn that as well. If not, the next program I will take the session. Yes, I shared the email ID. Mine email ID is not required. I have to check the EDL emails. No need to worry. I shared that. I will share on the YouTube as well. For how many days? Yeah, the Git and GitHub training program will be for 20 hours, 10 days. Same scenario, Monday to Friday, but we're starting from Wednesday. But it will be on weekdays only. How can I check how many days I attended this session? We are not able to check that. You have to ask to your mind only, to you only. Hey, Vinmay, how many session you attended? You only know that. Okay, how we know that? No? We will know that after checking your attendance percentage, but it will take some time. Ma'am, I marked attendance with 2 different email IDs. Will it do enough for certificate? It will be problematic if you use the 2 email ID because it will create your 2 account, right? Then your attendance will be divided. Then it's not going to be a 60%. We're not able to do anything. I already informed on the first day only. You have to use only 1 email, which you use at the time of registration. Can you share the registration link of Git and GitHub? Yeah, sure. Guys, last 3 minutes. How to get the recorded videos? Recorded videos are there over the LMS and over the YouTube as well. You have to check your attendance on your own. All are giving me the only questions. So this happens, so that happened. What is the issue? Recorded session, but no one is here giving me the feedback, sir. How I feel about the session? Why, guys? Yeah, I know that you submitted feedback over the GMB, but I would like to see. Sir, the certificate will come at the end of this month. Yeah, definitely. You can consider that 7 days. Sir, once again, send me the Git and GitHub link. Yes, I'm sharing that. Sir, if we watch the recording, then we will get the certificate. Absolutely no. Live session attendance is mandatory. Sir, due to server problem, I started assignment only 20 minutes. Back now, I'm submitting, but it's not coming. The assignment is not accepted. Server issue. Which kind of server issue you are facing? What should we do that link? Which link, Sakshi? So Mehbooba PI, I already explained that you will receive your certificate via registered email ID within 7 to 8 working days. Okay. EDL@xlr.com. This is not a link, it's email ID. Sir, can I leave the meeting? Yes. If you don't have any query question, you can leave. We are also going to wind up. Yes, Bhavya, backend is also available at Xlr. From the scratch to the advanced, with the placement assistant, with the project, with the internship, with the resume building, linking GitHub, we have 6 months of course, and we're operating from different cities from the India. It's been like our headquarters is there in the Bangalore BTM layout. There, our Hyderabad office is there in the Cyber Tower. We have 2 offices in the Pune, Vimannagar, and Paner. We have 2 offices in the Mumbai, Thane, and Andheri. Then Chennai at Chepauk, then Kolkata, then Delhi, and we are open for online classes as well. So whatever the link I shared, that career counseling, if you're interested, definitely you can fill that. Our career counselor, our team of industry experts, definitely they will connect with you. Shall we add certification LinkedIn? So yes, definitely. So what about the internship? Yeah, in the paid course of the 6 months, so we're going to cover the internship as well. So you have to work on a live project with our company, then you will get the internship certificate. Yes, Vinmay, definitely will come up with the such kind of the training program. Yes, Mehbooba P, I definitely it will take us 7 days of time. Sir, I have attended all the sessions. Very good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rahul, for such a wonderful comment, and same to you. Don't worry about that progress. We are seeing your progress here in the attendance. Yes, you will get the notified. Okay, on this note, thank you so much, dear participants, for attending, and we'll see you tomorrow again in the Git and Kit.